Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I'm not going to do a restoration this week or a project. I'm still working on the Scoutcrafter C-clamp challenge, and that's coming up. But I wanted to take this moment to just talk about a couple of things. First of all, well, let me back up a minute. So the whole reason I do this channel is because I enjoy making videos. I just enjoy it, and I don't make money at it. You know, it's a lot of work, but it's fun, and so that's why I do it. And but I live in a part of the country where it is really, really hot. In fact, I was reading an article the other day, and it said that the city where I live, McAllen, Texas, is the most uncomfortable city in the United States to live in, weather-wise. And it is. I mean, I'm telling you, I've got the garage door shut right now so that the sun doesn't blare in here real heavy. And it's not an exceedingly bad morning, but typically by this time in the day, it's 9:30. By 9:30, usually it's unbearable. And God, middle of the day, forget about it. So it makes it really difficult to come out here in the garage and work on anything for more than maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So what happens is when I'm working on a video, I come out here, work for 5 or 10 minutes, and I'm dripping with sweat. And then I go back in the house and I'm like, oh God, that was terrible, you know. And it makes it really difficult to meet any sort of schedule on videos. So I know I've had a couple of people tell me that they wished I would post more frequently, and I do too, but it's a lot of work, and the heat is just unbearable. So, you know, through the summer I'm going to continue to post, but probably not as frequently as some of you might like. So I'm sorry for that, but that's just kind of the way it goes. And you know, hopefully I can spend my time thinking about some new and interesting videos that will be a little bit different. At least that's my hope. So anyway, I will see you guys soon for the Scoutcrafter challenge. I believe that's due on July 4th. I'm working on it. Already screwed it up once. I'm going to have to redo it all because I can't paint worth crap. So, but anyway, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.